Alright guys, well you may be wondering what this is. This is a disc brake lock for a motorcycle. I recently had my motorcycle stolen and therefore was required or at least encouraged to purchase some form of alarm system. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I come out with gear reviews all the time. I only review stuff I actually use, and if you want to buy this, check in the description below. I either have this or something very, very similar there. You can go check that out and buy that right away. So, let's get started. What is this? Well, this is a disc brake lock, which means that the disc brake goes in this groove, and then there is a bar that comes through and locks it in place. Now, I'm not pushing this in because this is actually also has a 110 decibel motion-sensitive alarm. Now, you may be thinking that this is very expensive. However, this only cost me about $35. Normally, these are $70. However, I got this one 50% off, which I was pretty happy about. So, how does this actually work, or how does the review? Well, to be honest, I'm not very pleased with this because when you trigger this alarm, it goes off very loudly and it is motion sensitive. Unfortunately, it is too motion sensitive, and I've had my bike being hit by rain or birds and then it just goes off and bothers all my neighbors out of their minds. So how this basically works is you put it on the disc brake. Actually, I have to put it on the chain sprocket. Either one works. And then this bolt, you can see there in the crack, this bolt shoots home and the beeping means the alarm is activated. Now, it will beep twice in a few minutes to tell me that the motion sensing is activated, and at that point, if it is moved, it becomes a very loud, very obnoxious form of basically an alarm. Now, the way to turn it off is to use this key right here, which you then go in and you unlock it, and then it's ready to go, and you can put your bike in gear and drive away. So, how does this overall look? Well, I'm actually quite pleased because it's very heavy duty, it's very solid. Nobody's going to be stealing the bike when this is on it. Unfortunately, the motion sensing is too sensitive and it can go off at random times, which if you have neighbors that wake up easily or just a very fussy landlord, this could be a problem. Overall, I would recommend it because the price is very good. However, you need to be aware that the alarm can go off sometimes for no reason. Be aware of that and have your key ready so that your neighbors don't want to kill you. There you go. That is a quick and easy review on the disc brake lock that will keep your bike safe, but also may wake all your neighbors. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, check this out on Amazon, and have a great day.